All right, what is up, you guys? So today I'm gonna take you along my moving hell. I'm just basically packing, decluttering, I'm folding, I'm cleaning up shit. You know, when you move out of somewhere, you have to go through everything. You look through your clothes, you're like, am I keeping this? And then you have to wash things, and then things come up where you don't realize they are. So that's just what I'm doing today. Me and Rylan are just hanging out. We're watching some shows, just playing, you know. You see him, he's such a good baby. He loves to watch some Baby Einstein, and we just hang out. Obviously this wasn't in one sitting. I had to stop several times, you know, change his diaper, go feed him, you know, the whole thing. But that's all I'm doing. I'm just folding laundry. Dude, laundry days, I swear, come so often. And it may just be because I'm so busy with the baby that I just let it pile up. But yeah, and then moving, and then just everything. It ended up being such a stressful situation. But being positive, here I'm just changing out the sheets and stuff because the beds, they get so dirty so quickly. Chris and I are both actually allergic to cats, and we have 2 hairless cats, and they still secrete an oil. They sleep in the bed with us. They usually sleep with Chris though. I am like so anal about changing the sheets as often as possible, and that's what I'm doing here. And you'll see me later on and see, look, more laundry. See, I thought I was done with laundry. I'm folding more damn laundry, and I end up going through the closet as well. Oh, and because I know someone will ask, these beds aren't 2 twin beds put together. This is the Tempur-Pedic beds where you can move like the head and the feet, and they end up just being 2 separate mattresses put together. Which at first, you know, I thought like, cuddle time with the baby or with hubby, you know, it's gonna be so hard. But honestly, we both end up just drifting apart anyways and sleeping on our own side, so it ends up being fine. But I love this freaking bed. I sleep so well because of this damn bed. So kudos to Tempur-Pedic. No, not sponsored. All right, we got that bed made. Now we're rolling into Rylan's clothes. You see all of those clothes in those clear bins. So moving in this house, Rylan doesn't have a room. So I cannot wait until we're like 6-7 months down the road and we actually know what's happening and where we're living. And Rylan will have his own room and dressers and stuff. But besides the point, I'm going through his clothes here, and he outgrew all of these clothing pieces so fast. Now, you know, looking back on time, I'm not going to buy so many clothes for the next baby. I am just going to just buy a select few and just see, you know, as the baby grows, because Rylan is literally such a massive baby. He outgrew everything so fast. Everything that I already had, he didn't fit, and I had already washed it. You know what I mean? Of course, that's how it goes, but that's what I did there. And now I'm going through more random bins and clothes in my closet, just getting rid of things, trying to do the Marie method. And like, does this bring me joy? Am I going to wear this again? And you guys, it's so hard for me to get rid of things. I don't know why. I'm not a hoarder by any means, but I hold value in things like, oh, I wore this when blah, blah, blah happened, you know? And I'm just like, I need to stop doing that. And if I know that I'm not going to wear it again, then I get rid of it or give it to a friend, you know, one of the All right, moving into the next space. This is the second living room. This is like the office space slash the room that we watch TV, watch movies in. I will film in. We just hang out in. It's the hangout room, and it gets messy so quickly because this is where we spend majority of the time, and we put mail and just random stuff, and we're actually just washing the couch cushions and all that right now. We ended up washing the entire couch system before we moved, and dude, I still need to do a full review on this IKEA couch. It's absolutely fantastic. You can remove all of the cushions if any stains or anything gets on there, and they're super durable. But yeah, that's what we're doing here. We're just cleaning up the space. That way when we do pack up everything, it won't be so hectic. We can put things where they need to go. We can fill boxes. And you'll see in a minute, I am going to go into the office, or the office portion, and like go through my makeup and stuff. Hi, Rotor. Kitty says hi. And yeah, that's what we're doing here. Shout out to Rylan for being the best little baby bug. He is the spoiledest baby, and someone is either holding him, playing with him. He's constantly in somebody's arms, so when he's bouncing in this chair, doing his thing, letting us clean and catch up on chores, it's the best. Movers are here today. It's complete insanity, and I'm about to pack up this room. I have to bring all this product because it's not in a climate controlled holding facility, so I have to bring everything and then sort it afterwards. So I figured it'd be entertaining for you to watch me unload this mess into these boxes. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna freaking do. I'm just gonna set you up over here. There's no expiration. I really don't want to throw it out. I know a good rule of thumb is 12 months. I don't think those foundation sticks are bad. This one's good though. These right here, they only last 6 months. Yeah, it says 6 months on the bottom, so you gotta get rid of those. So if those foundations are terrible, like this, I hate. Like I have to get rid of that. It's been so long. Wet n Wild Photo Stick, this glow stuff from CoverGirl. I don't think these are bad. Oh no, if you shake it and it has separated terribly, I think that's okay. These Wet n Wild foundations are okay. This Bye Bye concealer is not good. This Milani is not good. This is definitely not good. I think these Spectrum foundations are okay. I think this 24-hour, yes, this is 12 months, so that's okay. Everything else though, dude, yep, that's okay. That's okay, that's not good. These concealers, Naked Skin, I feel so terrible. This Radiance, I think it's okay. Yeah, that's 2 years. See, it just depends. Like, this is saying it's 2 years. You just got to be careful. Just look at the product and see if it's okay. And usually it is. How long is this? Assuming it doesn't have an expiration, like gotta throw that out. It says 6 months on it. This I've had for forever. That is okay. So we've cleared that out pretty good. My goal is to get this nice and organized so I can like clear out everything over there and over here and put them, you know, in here. So that's what I'm doing here. All right, same thing in here. Gonna get rid of a bunch of these powders. Powders are pretty okay, I think, but if it's liquid, like this cream contour kit's gotta go. I don't feel bad keeping powders, so I'll probably keep a bunch of these and yeah, give the rest away to like friends and family. This is why it makes me sick to my stomach, because I just let time go by. These are all fresh, brand new, you guys. They're only good for 6 months, so I'm not gonna give them away, obviously. I don't wanna roast anyone's face, but it's such a waste. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm just literally going through all this. My friends are getting packages, and yeah, we are just decluttering all this stuff. Bye-bye. Good morning, YouTube. Everything is gonna be out of this house today, and it freaks me out because I feel like we are bringing way too much shit and it's not gonna fit in our U-Haul. And I decided to bring all of the makeup just so I could like give it away and it not sit and just go bad in storage for a year, right? That's good thinking. But now, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I may have to donate it if it doesn't fit. Or you know what I was thinking, babe? I could put them in like trash bags because it doesn't fill up a lot of space, you know what I mean? So I might do that. He is currently, say good morning to the tube.
Yo, what up?
He is going to remove this, and I'm just gonna take you on a quick little tour on all of our shit. You don't realize, excuse us, you don't realize how much stuff you have until you start packing it all up. That's what they're doing right now. They're removing all of the shit from the house. Dude, when they were going through it all, it was insane how much stuff there was. This stuff we're taking with us, and all of this right here. But yes, that is all makeup that I'm planning on bringing, and I'm gonna bring these lights so I have no excuses and can work while Chris is gone. And clothes, I mean, dude, I don't even know. I don't even know what's in there, so where we're at. They're taking it all away. Taking it away. What is up, you guys? So I have not been vlogging this trip very much. We are at a gas station, me and baby. Rai is watching some baby Einstein at the moment. Say hi, Rai. Hi, cutie boy. Oh my God, look at this cat. Do you see him? He's just lounging. We are all in the truck. I don't know if I showed you guys us all in the truck, but we are in the truck right now. We already shipped off my car to my parents' house. So it would be super easy for us to just travel together. Do you guys see this monstrosity on my nose? I don't know if it's a pimple or if it's like a bite, because I don't get pimples on my nose like this ever. And it doesn't feel like a pimple. There's nothing in it. It doesn't feel like one of those cystic ones underneath the skin either. It's just sore like a bite. We're driving cross country. We drove freaking 12 hours straight yesterday. God, it was brutal. Today's gonna be the same damn thing, but at least we're done. Today's the last day of driving. We'll be in Florida, and then we basically have to unload this thing. We'll be at my parents' house around 8 o'clock, 8 or 9 o'clock, and I think Chris and I are going to unload it. And now we're here. Today, what is today? Today is Monday, October 7th. I am at my parents' house. Hello, welcome to my mom's Florida room. And I just wanted to pop on here and say that we made it. I never vlogged that we made it, but we unloaded the house. Dude, life is crazy right now. Chris is already gone. And yeah, we are here back at my mama's house by choice, of course. I'm really excited about it. I'm excited to be here for the holidays and not alone in New Mexico while he's training and doing his thing. But yes, now that I'm here, I will have lots of help from my mom, family members, friends, the whole shebang. I just wanted to pop on and say, hey, now the AC is on. This is my cue to go. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, I love the fast forward queen with me, but that chapter is done. No more New Mexico. I'm gonna miss you, New Mexico. I actually really liked New Mexico. I love the weather. I'm gonna miss the weather. I miss the weather now. Florida's hot as hell and it's October. But okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you.